Greetings, viewers. In today's segment, we analyze the top 6 products, evaluating their performance, budget considerations, value, and additional factors. Explore the description for the most recent prices and information. Neewer X12. The NEEWER Teleprompter X12 is a versatile and easy-to-use teleprompter that supports various devices such as iPad, iOS Android tablets, smartphones, and DSLR cameras. Its high-quality beam splitter glass allows for a clear display of text with 75% light transmittance, making it easy to read from up to 3 meters away. The teleprompter can be easily assembled and disassembled with clear instructions and can be transported easily due to its collapsible design. The teleprompter supports smart control through the included RT110 remote control and NEEWER Teleprompter app, allowing users to easily manage playback speed, pause, and turn pages with a simple press. The assembly process is effortless with clear instructions, and the collapsible design facilitates easy storage and transport. Additionally, the inclusion of dual cold shoe mounts provides versatility for attaching various accessories, making it a comprehensive solution for content creators. It comes with a convenient carry case for easy portability, ensuring you can take your setup wherever you go. Elevate your video production and communication skills with the Neewer X12 aluminum alloy teleprompter, a reliable and compact solution for various creative endeavors. ILOKNZI i2. The ILOKNZI i2-12 teleprompter is a top-of-the-line teleprompter that provides a wide-angle shooting experience for cameras. It features a lifting platform and screen that can support 12.9 tablets displays with a maximum width of 9. The all-metal teleprompter and composite cover provide excellent durability and stability, while the clear-tempered optical glass offers high-quality light reflection and transmission for clear text and HD video recording. The teleprompter also comes with a free app and remote control for easy text prompting during video creation. Included with remote control and a dedicated app, this teleprompter offers convenient control and customization, streamlining your workflow. The sleek metal construction adds durability and a touch of elegance to your production setup. Elevate your video content creation with the ILOKNZI i2 12-inch black liftable teleprompter, a reliable solution for a wide ranges of applications, from studio productions to on-the-go video shoots. Capture your audience with precision and professionalism using this versatile teleprompter. Desview T3. One notable advantage is its ability to support iPads up to 11 inches, providing a spacious display for teleprompting with a comfortable 10-foot reading distance. The teleprompter also facilitates wide-angle shooting, supporting more than 24 mm horizontal and less than 35 mm vertical shooting, allowing for a broader view and diverse recording perspectives. In terms of optics, the Desview T3 incorporates premium beam splitter glass with 26 coated layers. This design minimizes light loss, ensuring that the text is easily readable and reflections remain clear for high-definition recording. The teleprompter's adaptability is further enhanced by dual mounting options, featuring built-in 2 cold shoe mounts for the convenient attachment of LED lights and microphones. To streamline the teleprompting process, the Desview T3 comes equipped with a Bluetooth remote control. This feature enables users to scroll through text seamlessly and adjust playback speed with ease, providing a user-friendly experience for content creators in various recording scenarios. Desview T12S. Meet the Desview T12S teleprompter, your ultimate companion for seamless video making. This 12.9-inch metal camera teleprompter boasts high-quality display glass, ensuring crystal-clear text for a smooth reading experience. Versatile and compatible with smartphones, tablets, iPads, and cameras, it adapts effortlessly to your gear for enhanced flexibility. Designed for easy assembly, the Desview T12S streamlines your setup process, letting you focus on creating captivating content. The package includes a carry case, providing convenience and portability, making it an ideal choice for both studio and on-the-go video shoots. Whether you're a seasoned videographer or just starting, this teleprompter elevates your production value by ensuring professional-grade scripts and flawless delivery. Invest in the Desview T12S teleprompter for a reliable, user-friendly, and portable solution that enhances your video making experience. LENSGO TC7. The TC7 teleprompter enables you to peruse scrolling text with clarity while maintaining direct eye contact with the camera. Ideal for vlogs, live broadcasts, online classes, video recordings, interviews, presentations, and beyond. It provides invaluable assistance during live streaming or recording sessions. The teleprompter accommodates all models of smartphones, tablets, and cameras, with compatibility extending to both iOS and Android systems. It universally supports flexible tablet, below 8 inches, and smartphone prompting, alongside DSLR shootings. Moreover, it seamlessly integrates with smartphone shootings, equipped with a phone lens, shading ring and camera shootings, inclusive of 8 camera lens adapter rings. The device supports both vertical and horizontal placement, as well as left and right shooting. Additionally, it facilitates shooting with a wide-angle lens of 17mm. Notably, the teleprompter boasts a remarkable 1-second folding capability, and the glass can be fixed at a 45-degree angle, ensuring optimal clarity for line reading. Enhanced with multiple cold shoes, this kit allows for the attachment of a microphone, tripod, and video light. The teleprompter, compact at 8 inches, is effortlessly foldable and easily portable. The LENSGO TC7 teleprompter employs industry-standard glass for a high-definition display and excellent transmission. Utilizing a special coating process and beam splitter glass, it maintains image quality, ensuring a clear and easily readable front reflection for precise prompting, thereby minimizing NG frequency. Inmei A10. The Inmei A10 teleprompter, a portable and versatile tool for video recording, live streaming, interviews, stage presentations, and speech delivery. This teleprompter is compatible with smartphones and DSLR cameras, providing a seamless solution for content creators on the go. Featuring a convenient phone holder and a user-friendly remote control, the Inmei A10 ensures easy control and efficient operations, allows you to focus on delivering compelling content. Its portable design makes it an ideal companion for various settings, from impromptu interviews to stage presentations. Elevate your video-making tools with the Inmei A10 teleprompter, enhancing your confidence and delivery precision. Perfect for both beginners and seasoned professionals, this teleprompter is a valuable asset for anyone seeking a reliable and portable solution for creating engaging videos with ease. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channels and also hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.